WazirX funds recovery back on track as Singapore High Court orders new creditor vote. WazirX, crypto journalist. Anas Hassan, crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 17, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Singapore High Court has set aside its June 4, 2025, order rejecting WazirX's restructuring plan and ordered a new creditor vote on an amended scheme, potentially clearing the path for the exchange to reopen and begin distributing funds to users affected by the $230 million hack in July 2024. The court extended ZI's moratorium protection and allowed the revote following further arguments presented by WazirX's parent company. If the amended scheme receives approval from the requisite majority of creditors and court sanction, the WazirX platform will reopen with ZanMai facilitating distributions under Indian jurisdiction. Singapore High Court has ruled, giving users hope. The decision marks a dramatic reversal after the court previously rejected the moratorium application, citing concerns about transparency regarding ZI's undisclosed relocation to Panama and rebranding as Zensui Corporation. The earlier rejection exposed WazirX to potential litigation in India and left users without access to funds for nearly 1 year. WazirX founder, Nishal Shetty, announced that proof of reserves will launch after the platform restarts, stating that current token balances remain unchanged since no deposits or withdrawals are being processed. An independent assessor has already verified current holdings and submitted the report to the court and creditors. Additionally, the exchange initially pledged to return 85% of user balances through recovery tokens representing unrecovered funds, though legal challenges and investor objections have stalled progress. Users have expressed frustration over repeated delays and a lack of transparency throughout the recovery process. Court reversal provides second chance for fund recovery. The Singapore High Court's decision to allow a revote followed months of legal uncertainty after the initial restructuring plan faced rejection. The court had previously declined to sanction WazirX's proposal due to transparency issues surrounding ZI's corporate restructuring and relocation activities. WazirX had secured a 4-month conditional moratorium in September 2024, which protected the company from litigation in different regions. The June 4 rejection also opened the door for Indian users to file litigation domestically to seek recovery of their locked funds. The exchange warned users in February that repayments could be delayed until 2030 if the court rejected the restructuring plan, potentially forcing the company into liquidation. A successful restructuring would allow faster, structured repayments with possible profit-sharing benefits. More than 93% of voting creditors approved the initial restructuring plan in April 2025. However, legal complications and resistance from ZI delayed its implementation. The amended scheme addresses court concerns while maintaining the core framework for user compensation. The Monetary Authority of Singapore issued a notice on May 30, requiring all unlicensed exchanges operating in Singapore to cease services by June 30. ZI's relocation to Panama and rebranding as Zensui Corporation were intended to address regulatory compliance issues. How WazirX got here, the big disaster. The WazirX hack in July 2024 resulted from hackers exploiting vulnerabilities in the exchange's multi-sig wallet system, manipulating the interface to trick authorized signers into approving a malicious smart contract upgrade. The attack bypassed established security measures and drained approximately $230 million in cryptocurrency assets. The hack also exposed ownership conflicts between ZI and Binance regarding WazirX operations, complicating the restructuring process. Users have demanded greater transparency and implementation of proof of reserves to prevent future security incidents. WazirX plans to issue recovery tokens as on-chain IOUs representing unrecovered funds, designed to help users claim between 75% and 80% of their affected balances. depending on market conditions. However, the tokens remain speculative pending successful completion of the restructuring process. The exchange has committed to completing the revoting process as quickly as possible, with distributions beginning promptly if the amended scheme receives approval. Users await concrete timelines for the voting process and the potential reopening of the platform, which has been suspended for nearly a year. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar XRP price prediction. NYSE approves first 2x XRP ETF. Is $1,000 XRP now in play? XRP price prediction. Institutional inflows hit $3.7 billion. Could XRP hit $100 in 2025? ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Cardano by the end of 2025. 3 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 18, 2025. As XRP open interest hits $10 billion, is Ripple going to $4 today? 17 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 18, 2025. 19 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 15 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.